In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable account numbers in your QuickBooks online chart of accounts. Using account numbers helps keep your books organized, makes reports easier to read, and speeds up data entry because you can quickly reference the exact account you need. Before we start, make sure you're signed in with a user role that can change company settings, since we'll be turning on a company-wide feature. Let's begin by opening your settings. In the top right corner of QuickBooks Online, click the gear icon. Under the Your Company column, choose Account and Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes preferences live, so any changes here affect how your books behave across the entire company file. Next, move to the Advanced section. You'll find it on the left-hand menu. The Advanced area contains features designed for accountants and power users, and it's where QuickBooks keeps the options that influence your chart of accounts. Now scroll down until you see the Chart of Accounts section. Here, look for the option labeled Enable Account Numbers and turn it on. This simply activates the ability to use numbers alongside your account names. It doesn't change any balances or move your data. It just unlocks the numbering feature so you can organize more precisely. After switching it on, be sure to click Save at the bottom of that section. Then click Done to exit account and settings. Saving here locks in the change for your company, so the option is available moving forward. With account numbers enabled, you can assign numbers to your individual accounts. To do that, open the gear icon again and select Chart of Accounts. Find any account that you want to number, click the Edit option on that account, and look for the field labeled Number. Type the account number you want to use, then click Save and Close. Repeat this for each account you want to organize. A quick tip on numbering: choose a consistent structure that fits your business. Many companies group similar accounts together so they sort logically, like placing all revenue accounts in one range and expenses in another. Keeping a logical sequence makes searching and reporting faster, especially as your chart of accounts grows. If you use sub-accounts, consider numbering them in a way that mirrors the parent account so they stay together. That's it. You've enabled account numbers and started assigning them to your accounts, making your chart of accounts cleaner and easier to navigate. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials.